we'll guide you through how to test your internet speed on PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You may be checking your speed to ensure that your internet is running as advertised. For that, you'll have to turn off your router or disconnect all other devices. Once you've done that, you can start testing your speed test. First, open your web browser and in the search menu, type fast.com and press enter. Once the site loads, the test will begin, and it will measure your download speed. When it's done, you can click on Show More Info to check out your ping and upload speed. Wait for a few more seconds until the test completes, and you'll see the results displayed on the screen. Alternatively, you can test your speed using Edge's built-in tool. Simply open Edge browser and search for Internet Speed Test. Click on the Start button, and Edge will check your connection speed in seconds. That's it. You've successfully tested your internet speed on your PC. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.